Hello guys, we are buying watermelon. That's Kuya. I said the good one, and then the red, the sweet. Basta maganda siya. Okay. Maganda talaga. Thank you. That is good for the Kian because have high fiber, the watermelon guys. That's why I bought. Okay, let's go home. Morning. Okay. Can Kian, we have now assignment, practice. We need to practice this one. Okay. Come here.
No.
Okay. Come. Okay. And Candy's there. Okay. Later guys again. Hello guys. Today it's raining. It's signal number 3, I think. And the people, they are outside. They are take a shower. Yeah. It's raining guys. See? It's very heavy rain. And some people, they are take a shower on the rain because they like when the rain come in the Philippines. They are going to take a shower on the rain. Candy and Cookie also, they are scary. Okay, today we are making guys the chickpea spinach curry. I put already the chickpea and spinach, and we have here onion, tomato. Let's make chickpea spinach curry. That is also high fiber, good for Kian also. Okay, later. Hello guys. Our food, the chickpea with spinach and tomato, spinach, chickpea, onion. That is the also curry. That is the high fiber for Kian. I make it. Okay. Okay, let's eat.
Bye.
Actually guys, from yesterday, that mango malunggay I made, still I have. That's why I will eat also that one. Eat the spinach, the chickpea, eat all, huh? Delicious guys. The spinach, the chickpea, the curry powder. That is all high fiber for Kian and also good for the system of the body. Yummy, guys. Okay, let's eat. Later. Hello, guys. No more rain, but it still is cloudy. But they told me the summer already finished in the Philippines. Maybe it's raining season. See, guys, my motor, what happening to the glue, the tire, because of this. You see the rain coming, and then what happening? If there is cement here, it will not be like that, guys. And then my kitchen, the wall should be, we put finishing the cement and sand. This is the after back of my kitchen, guys. The water, it's going from here it will go inside my wall for the kitchen. That's why we need to put cement and sand, that we are calling finishing, for the after back my kitchen. And then from before, guys, I bought flashing, that for the water, that is for mine, guys. This one and this one. That's why should be this one. They will replace for my kitchen, because the kitchen for me, the flashing, it's not good properly. They didn't put. That's why I need to change it. But I have here a stock, the new one. They need to somebody cut this one and install. They need to cut from here, and then they will scissor, and then they will install this one there on the top of the kitchen. But I need to talk to that person who will make, because, guys, that's why the water coming, because no have cement at the back, that the cement I show you before, and the sand no have the wall. Even here, guys, you see, that's why after back of this wall needs cement and sand. And that flashing, I am telling, guys, for the CR, that is my CR. That's why they need to make it. They need to remove the flashing, that before I show, and they need to put it. Okay, guys, later. Hello, guys. Good evening. Okay, go eat. Eat. Come. They are going to eat food, guys. Come, baby. Here also. You can do it. Yes, guys, the cookie getting big. Before she was a small puppy, but now almost she have 11 months. And Candy, she have 8 years old, guys. Go eat. Go. Come. After they eat, I will give to them their medicine, guys. This one for the candy. This is for the cookie, the citizen. And this is for cookie also. That's for the poops. Come here, come. Come, come, come. You eat candy. Not you, cookie, candy. Candy. Come. Come, baby. Candy, she's not feeling well. Yesterday, she vomiting. How many times, guys? But I wash her face. Maybe because of the hot. Candy, come eat. Come. 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 Eat candy.
Daddy, I want apple juice.
Go take it. Candy, eat something. Huh? Eat. Okay, guys. Later. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching for today. This video also. Thanks for today. And tomorrow again another one. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.